World of tech, where code spun like a wizard's spell, lived a boy named Alex. Alex loved making robots, especially his best friend, Gizmo. Gizmo was a whiz at finding tiny mistakes, called bugs, in Alex's code. Beep! Bug detected! Gizmo would often exclaim. One sunny morning, Alex had a grand idea. Gizmo, he announced, we're going to create the most amazing bug-free game ever. Gizmo's blue eyes glowed. Mission accepted, Alex. Let's make this game sparkle. They worked tirelessly, Alex typing furiously on his keyboard, and Gizmo zipping around, scanning every line of code. Hours turned into days. Alex often sighed. Another bug, Gizmo? And Gizmo would reply, but we'll catch them all! They squashed bugs that looked like grumpy pixelated flies and fixed glitches that made characters hop on one foot. Alex would design levels with rainbow slides and marshmallow clouds, while Gizmo meticulously checked for any hidden errors. Sometimes, a bug was so sneaky, it would hide behind a mushroom in the game's forest level. Gotcha! Gizmo would chirp. They even encountered a logic bug that made all the game's trees grow upside down. Alex giggled as they fixed it. Finally, after weeks of hard work and many snacks, Alex typed the last line of code. He held his breath. Gizmo did a final thorough scan. Its blue eyes blinked rapidly, zipping across the screen, checking every nook and cranny. Then, a triumphant beep, boop, echoed through the room. Gizmo did a little happy dance. No bugs! 0! Mission accomplished. Alex jumped up, cheering. We did it, Gizmo! A bug! Free release! This calls for a celebration. They decided to throw a bug-free bash. Alex decorated their workspace with colorful streamers and balloons. Gizmo, usually so serious about code, put on a tiny party hat and started playing celebratory music. They invited all of Alex's other robot creations, who beeped and whirred in excitement, knowing the hard work that went into it. Alex brought out a special zero-bug cake, shaped like a perfect, smooth circle. It was delicious! As they celebrated, Alex looked at Gizmo. This game is perfect, because we work together. Best friend. Gizmo gave a happy whir. Indeed, Alex, teamwork makes the dream work. And a bug-free game is the best dream of all.